आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वैक्सीन. A vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killer forms of the microbe. History. During the late 1760s, Willis serving as an apprenticeship as Surgeon Edward Jenner learned of the story common in rural areas that dairy workers would never have an often fatal or disfiguring disease smallpox because they had already had cowpox, which had a very mild effect in humans. In 1796, Jenner took pus from the hand of a milkmaid cowpox, scratched it into the arm of an 8-year-old boy. 6 weeks later, inoculated the boy with smallpox. Afterwards, observing that he did not catch smallpox, Jenner extended his duties and in 1798 reported that his vaccine was safe in children and adults. Live attenuated vaccines. Live attenuated vaccines contain a version of the microbes that has been weakened in the lab so it cannot cause disease. Because a live attenuated vaccine is the closest thing of natural infection, that vaccines are good teachers of the immune system. Vaccine against measles, mumps, and chicken poxes. Inactivated vaccines. Scientists produce inactive vaccines by killing the disease causing microbes that chemicals, heat, or radiation. Such vaccines are more stable and safer than the live vaccines because the microbes cannot mutate back to live their causing state. Vaccines against influenza, polio, hepatitis A, and rabies. Subunit vaccines. Instead of the entire microbe, subunit vaccines include only antigen, the best to stimulate the immune system. In some cases, vaccines use epitopes and the very specific parts of the antigen and the antibodies of T cells recognize and bind because subunit vaccines contain only the essential agents and not all the other molecules that make up the microbe. Plague immunization. Toxoid vaccines for bacteria that secrete toxins or harmful chemicals. A toxoid vaccine might be the answer. These vaccines are used when the bacterial toxin is in the main cause of illness. Scientists have found that they can inactivate toxins by treating them with formalin, such as detoxified toxin called toxoids, are safe for use in vaccines. Crotalus orthodox toxoid is used in vaccine dogs against rattlesnake bites. Conjugate vaccines anti-bacterial poisons and other coating of sugar molecule called polysaccharides as many harmful bacteria do. Researchers may try to make a conjugate vaccine for it. Polysaccharides coating disguise a bacterium antigen so that the immature immune system of infants and younger children cannot recognize or respond to them. Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine. DNA vaccine is still the experiment stages. These vaccines show great promise and several types are being tested in humans. DNA vaccines take immunization to a new technological level. These vaccines depend with both the whole organisms and the parts and they get right down to the essential the microgenetic material. Influenza vaccine. Recombinant vector vaccines. Recombinant vector vaccines are experimental vaccines similar to DNA vaccines, but they use attenuated virus or bacterium to introduce microbial DNA to cells of the body. Vector refers to the virus or bacterium used as the carrier. Example: DPT.